everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my best friend. My best friend name is Alex. We have been friends since kindergarten. Alex is very kind and always helps me. We love playing soccer together at recess. Alex is really good at drawing and often makes funny cartoons. We have lots of fun and laugh at each other's jokes. During weekends, we like to ride our bikes in the park. Alex always cheers me up when I am feeling sad. We share our snacks and stories with each other. I am grateful to have Alex as my best friend because he makes every day special. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.